Welcome to The Explainer. Today we're looking at how AI is completely changing manufacturing quality control.
Okay, so the big shift is this, moving from just reacting to problems to actually preventing them.
You know, the old way relied on human eyes, and that meant fatigue, mistakes, and inconsistency.
But now, AI is rewriting the rules. It's making quality control smart, automatic, and totally data-driven.
So, how's it actually work? Well, the first big step is totally perfecting the inspection process.
AI's precision is just unreal. It uses computer vision to spot tiny flaws, 24/7, no breaks.
But here's where it gets really cool. AI doesn't just find defects, it actually predicts them.
And that's what we call predictive quality assurance. It's all about stopping problems before they even start.
Think about it. It can flag a machine part that's wearing out before it actually breaks down.
Okay, shift number 2. AI doesn't just see the problem, it gets to the why behind it.
It crunches tons of data from sensors and feedback to pinpoint the exact root cause of a failure.
So the third big shift, all this intelligence leads to some massive gains in efficiency.
Because it prevents defects, AI dramatically cuts down on the cost of waste, scrap, and rework.
Plus, it lets your people focus on bigger things and stops expensive equipment from breaking down.
So we're not just talking about better QC here. This is a whole new way of thinking. Yeah, it turns QC into a quality intelligence function, basically the nervous system of the whole operation.
And that completely changes the job for people. They go from inspectors to strategic system optimizers.
So with quality basically solved, it really makes you wonder, what's the next big thing we can create?